Alienware's legendary Area-51 is back, and this time it's breaking new ground. No hosts, no distractions, just pure tech innovation you need to know about. When Dell reintroduced the Area-51 at CES 2025, it was Intel exclusive, powered by the latest Arrow Lake CPUs. But now, AMD's powerhouse Ryzen 9000 X3D lineup has entered the ring, transforming the Area-51 into a gamer's dream machine. The secret weapon? AMD's 3D V-Cache tech, stacking extra cache vertically on the processor to deliver astonishing gaming performance and responsiveness, especially for demanding titles and multitasking. Dell pairs these Ryzen beasts with Nvidia's cutting-edge RTX 5080 and RTX 5090 GPUs, designed to unleash ultra-high frame rates and stunning ray-traced visuals. But be aware, the Ryzen 7 9800 X3D only pairs with the RTX 5080, while the top Ryzen 9 9950 X3D gets the full RTX 5090 experience. Storage starts at 2 TB for the 9800 X3D variant and doubles to 4 TB on the 9950 X3D model. Dell promises expanded configurations up to a massive 12 TB soon, making sure you'll never run out of space for your games, files, and creative projects. As always with Alienware, premium comes with a premium price tag. The Ryzen 7 9800 X3D with RTX 5080 starts at $4,349.99. Step up to the Ryzen 9 9950 X3D with RTX 5090 and you're looking at $6,149.99. But there's a game changer beyond just specs. Dell has returned to off-the-shelf standard components. That means no more proprietary parts that limit upgrades or repairs. It's a win for enthusiasts who want to future-proof their investment. With memory prices soaring and PC building becoming more complex, buying a pre-built powerhouse like the Area-51 could soon be the smarter choice, especially when it's loaded with top-tier Ryzen and Nvidia tech. Alienware's Area-51 Ryzen 9000 X3D edition isn't just a machine, it's a statement. Ready to redefine your gaming experience? The future of desktop performance is here.